Introducing me, the legging queen, and her co-host Leo. Woo! Crowd goes wild. Hi, welcome back. Or if you're new here, hi, happy to have you. We're your #1 source for all things fit fashion because, like I said, I am your legging queen. Wow, Lee, that was really clever editing, huh? Today, I'm going to be trying on all my activewear. Everything you see here, plus like 2 times more than that. Quick PSA, this video is sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to build your beautiful online presence. Oh, this is gonna take like 3 days. I'm not doing shoes and I'm not doing swimsuits. If you want a separate video for those things, then let me know in the comments. I just have so much stuff, so I feel like A, this is gonna be a good opportunity to show you all this stuff. B, I need to get rid of some of it. I'm gonna donate and give most of it away. There are a few things that I'll probably throw up on Poshmark, Closet of Hope. Hey, I have an idea. Let's make a fun game out of this. Comment down below how many items you think I have in my collection that still have the tags on them. And the person that gets the closest, I'll send you a $50 gift card to Lululemon. Nah, I'll send you a $100 gift card to Lululemon if you can guess it. Do I have any other announcements? I'm just really procrastinating filming this in case you didn't notice. Oh, I do have an announcement. Guys, I got a P.O. box. I got it for mostly just like businessy purposes, but I figured I'd give it to you so you can like write me a note. You can send Leo a treat. Wait, they can't even see you. That's better. So you can send Leo a treat. All right, let's get into this video. I actually want to like kind of redo my entire YouTube room. I don't even think I've ever shown you my YouTube room / activewear closet, so I'm gonna give you a little tour right now before I demolish it. All right, here we go. All right, the most important part of this room, as you all very well know, is my wall of leggings, which is starting to get a little bit crowded, so I have a couple more shelves on order that I'm gonna put down there. So we're gonna start here with the leggings. You know what freaks me out the most about this video? It's not having to try on all of those leggings back there. It's the fact that I know for a fact there are a lot of spiders living back there. They've just made themselves a nice little home in between those stacks. Here we go. In typical HopeScope fashion, we are just going to go through these in color coordinated order. I will also have timestamps in the description, so if you want to skip to a certain category of my collection, you totally can. Also, rather than linking every single one of these, because that's bonkers. Oh, there's a pair that doesn't fit, that's awkward. I'm just going to put the brands up there in the corner. I'm not putting the brands in the corner. Look, it took me a week to film this thing, and it's gonna take me another week to go add every single brand into each individual segment. I'm just doing what's best for the squad here, because I gotta get you a video this week. And I'll leave all of the discount codes that I have to some of these activewear brands in the description box. That way, if you see something you like, you can go check it to see if I have a deal for you. All right, moving right along. Pinks and mauves are definitely my biggest category because that was such a popular color for a while there, but these dusty blues are definitely a close second. And they just keep on going. Purple's a fun category that I sure do have a lot of, but I don't ever find myself wearing. I actually have been wearing it more often lately. I don't know if it's the hair color or what. Love me some white leggings. I recently did a big old white legging review. In case you're curious as to which ones are squat proof, wash proof, self-tan proof, etc. And those leggings were completely on backwards for that try on. The black leggings. I actually purposely don't buy black leggings hardly ever. So these are pretty much the best of the best, worth keeping kind of black leggings. So this whole area is actually the basement of our house, and it's set up to be almost like a mother-in-law suite or like an area that another person can live. And there's this little nook over here that is supposed to be for like a washer and dryer hookup and then like a random, but I use it for my sports bras. I have them all organized by color, white, gray, blacks on this side. Trying on all of these sports bras was probably one of the worst ideas of my whole life, but come on. But this edit turned out pretty sick. Please like the video if you agree. Pretty please. It also serves as a great reminder of why I hate bra pads. They all look bunchy and exposed in a ton of these shots. Most of my sports bras are purchased purely on the premise that they are part of a matching set or go really well with a certain pair of leggings. But some of these more neutral colored ones are my absolute ride or dies. All right, so that first rack is sweatshirts. This next rack over is just regular full length tops. So tank tops, t-shirts, organized by color, of course. In case you couldn't tell by the way that I look in these clips, I had really pretty much had it with the try-on portion of this video by this point. I literally have a burn from putting on so many sports bras. Anyway, I have a lovely array of workout tops, and yet I swear I still rotate between the same 3 tops every time I put together a gym outfit. I'm not like that with leggings and sports bras, but for some reason, a lot of my tops go unused. I think I'm just extremely picky when it comes to the fabric that I like for tops. This is definitely the smallest category, well, maybe next to shorts. Sweatshirts, a girl's best friend, next to leggings, of course. I have plenty of these. Right now, all my cropped and full-length ones are on this rack here. These are gonna be a doozy to try on. I'm gonna be sweating. Fun fact, I hardly ever wear any of my cropped sweatshirts because I have a long torso and short legs, but cropped stuff totally makes me look stumpy. Oh, that's awkward. So then in a cropped sweatshirt, I'm stuck with a stubby upper body and a squatty lower body. But you will catch me rocking one of these fitted jackets or a full-length hoodie most days of the week. And then finishing off this side, we have the joggers. All right, I'm sorry to disappoint, but I'm not gonna try the joggers on just because a couple months ago, I did a jogger collection video where I not only tried on all of them, but I did like kind of a more in-depth review of them all, so you can go watch that video if you want. And then over here, this used to be my office / shop HopeScope space, but we quickly outgrew that. And I soon needed a real office. So I'm gonna use that for something else. I have a fridge, the only thing in it are 3Ds. I keep all my supplements in this little kitchen area. Yeah, that's that. And then a bathroom that nobody uses. And then over here we have the shoes. I have this really cute little, okay, that's not cute, but everything else is really cute. Okay, there's a lot of random crap on it, but nobody ever sees this. And then I have all my swimsuits in there. My pride, my joy, my giant mirror. I can't forget about the shorts. Actually, yes, I can. I kind of low-key hate shorts. I'm gonna find a better way to organize the shorts than this box back here. This is awful. I always forget about them. For someone that doesn't wear shorts, I really have an obscene amount of them. Alright, I guess I shouldn't say I hate all shorts. The biker shorts trend is actually really starting to grow on me. Some of the main things I look for in a good pair of workout shorts is 1, are the goods secure? Are we going to give the gym an unsolicited cheeky peek? If so, the pair is not for me. 2, also I want something that's gonna move with my body and doesn't cling, dig, or pinch in any weird way. I hope you enjoyed that video because it was a lot of work. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. That was me trying on my entire collection, minus joggers and minus crop tops. I'm really sorry I couldn't do it because of literal burns.
I literally have a burn.
But I was thinking since like summer's coming up and stuff, I could just do a dedicated crop top video anyway, where I try them all on, review my favorites, give you some affordable options. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. Now I get to reorganize all of this. Lee! Okay, well, thanks for watching. Oh, but before you go, as I mentioned earlier, Squarespace has sponsored this video today. I don't know about you, but I know nothing about coding, so creating a website seems so daunting to me, but it doesn't have to be with Squarespace. The easily customizable templates look great on any device, and they make it so easy to sort, organize, and manage all of your products with the drag and drop sorting tool, tags, and categories. For 10% off your first Squarespace website or domain, visit www.squarespace.com/hope and use code HOPE. Happy website building, and I'll see you in the next video.